Okay, so this is question number 1, paper 2 of SPM 2024. Okay, let us begin. So question 1, diagram 1 shows sector BAC with center A and sector COD with center O. Okay, P lies on the straight line OD. So P is on the straight line OD. Okay, got it. It is given that the area of sector BAC, so BAC is this sector here, 113.4. okay, this is the area, cm square. Okay, OA is half of AC, so OA is here, this small line here is half of AC. Okay, got it, half of AC. And then CP is this, the height here is 7.74. Okay, got it. Find the length AC. So first we want to find the length AC. So this AC is actually this one is actually a sector, right? So that means this is the radius. The radius, it should be the same as AB. Okay, the radius of the sector. So to find the radius, we can use the area given and use the formula. So question A1. So area of sector formula is 1/2 r square theta. So A is 113.4 equals 1/2 r square, theta is 2.8. So we can simplify this, you get 1.4. So r square is equals to 113.4 divided by 1.4. So you should get, let me count, 113.4 divided by 1.4, I get 81. So r square equals to 81, so r will be 81 square root. So r equals to, it will be plus minus 9, but since we are talking about radius, it can't be a negative answer, so the answer is 9 cm. Okay, so yeah, question A, A is done, A1 is done. Question A2, show that angle, so this angle is 0.61, so you must show that this is 0.611 radian when rounded to 3 significant figure. So what we can do is, since we already have the radius here, the radius is 9 cm, this one is the radius of 9 cm, we can find the OA, because OA is half of AC, correct? So it's 4.5 cm for OA. And with this, because it's a right angle triangle, we can use SOHCAHTOA to find the angle here. Okay, so question A2. So first we show what is OA first. So OA is half of AC, right? And why I use vector? Sorry. OA half of AC. So half of 9. So you get 4.5 cm. So we know that the whole thing, OC will be, 4.5 plus 9. So you get 13.5 cm. Okay, so that's the whole thing. So now we can do SOHCAHTOA. So we have the opposite and we have the hypotenuse. So we can use SOH. Sine angle equals opposite over hypotenuse is 13.5. So you get sine inverse 7.74 over 13.5. So you will get your answer is 35 degree. Convert it to radian, so times pi over 180. So you should get your answer 0.611. That is your answer. Alright, so question A2 done. Question B, find the perimeter of the whole diagram. So if you want to find the perimeters, let's label all the sides first. So we already have this 9 cm. We have to find the arc. Later we have to find the arc, and we have to find this arc as well, CD, because this is a sector here. We can find the arc of that sector. And what else? So we need to also find this. So this is actually should be the same as this, because it's a sector, right? So this is like the radius. So this length OD should also be the same as OC. So OC is here, we already found 13.5, so it's 13.5. So that means the first step is we have to find the two arcs BC and CD before we can add all of them together. So this one, by the way, is also, this one is 4.5, this one we calculated. Okay, so then we can just add up everything. Okay, so let us find the arc first. Question B. So arc, which one you want to find first? BC, we find BC first. So r theta is the formula. So r is 9 cm, theta is 2.8. So what you will get is 25.2. Okay, then we also find arc CD. So CD is r is 13.5, theta is 0.611. So you should get your answer 8.2485 cm. So we want to find the perimeter. So the perimeter will be the two arcs you add together. So 25.5 plus 8.2485. What else? And then the radius. So you got 13.5, 9, and also 4.5. 13.5, 9, and 4.5. Yeah, so that's about it. So you add all of them together, you should get your answer 60.4485 cm. Okay.